all in one series, Social Science, 8th Standard, Part Sociology, Chapter 10, Man and Culture, Important Points and Key Concepts, Exercises, Question and Answers, Additional Multiple Choice Questions and Answers. Definition of Culture. In sociology, culture refers to the complex system of knowledge, arts, morality, law, customs, abilities, and talents that are learned as a members of society. The word culture comes from the Latin word colere, meaning to cultivate. Nature of culture. Culture is shaped by geography, traditions, and societal needs. No culture is superior or inferior. Each is unique to its society. Culture is passed from one generation to the next. It is dynamic and constantly changing. Example, dress styles, food habits. Cultural diversity. Different religions, races, languages, and lifestyles create cultural diversity. Pluralistic culture means coexistence of multiple cultures in one society. Cultures influence each other. Example, clothes, language. India is an example of unity in a diversity. Customs and traditions. Culture consists of beliefs, values, rules, conventions, and morals. Values, example, honesty, patriotism, guide what is considered good or bad. Conventions are repeatedly daily activities done without much thought. Examples, greetings, eating, habits. These practices are learned naturally through social life, not formal instructions. Key concepts. Culture. Learned social behaviors, knowledge, beliefs, and customs. Cultural transmission. Passing culture from one generation to another. Cultural change. Evolution in habits and practices over time. Cultural diversity. The existence of various cultures within a society. Pluralistic culture. Coexistence of multiple cultural groups. Values. Standards of behavior accepted by society. Conventions. Common routine social practices. Unity in diversity. Harmony among diverse cultures and communities. Exercises. First, fill in the blanks with the suitable words. First, culture means cultivate. Second, conventions are activities engaged in again and again in our daily lives. Third, we get to see unity, diversity in India. Second, answer the following in brief. Fourth one, what is culture? Our answer. Culture is a complex system involving knowledge, the arts, morality, law, customs, abilities, and talents that we learn as a member of society. It includes everything that defines us and is shaped by geographical features, traditions, and the needs of the particular society. Culture is passed from one generation to another and constantly changes over time. Fifth, give examples of the cultural diversity in your environment. Our answer. Examples of cultural diversity include people wearing different kinds of clothes, belonging to various races, and speaking different languages. For instance, in a city like Bengaluru, one can see people dressed differently and communicating in multiple languages, reflecting the pluralistic culture. Similarly, in India, cultural diversity is seen through the presence of hundreds of tribes, thousands of castes, many races, and hundreds of languages. Sixth one, what is customs and traditions? Answer. Customs and traditions are the beliefs, values, rules, social conventions, and morals that make up culture. They guide our behavior and help us understand what is considered good or bad in society. Conventions such as how we eat, sleep, or greet. Others are practiced regularly and became a part of our daily life without us thinking about them consciously. Seventh one, give examples for customs and traditions. Example for customs and traditions include values such as freedom, honesty, true friendship, cleanliness, humility, and patriotism. Conventions are like greeting others. The way we eat, sleep, or sit in the class, activities we perform daily without being specially taught. Question number 3. Answer the following in 4 of 5 sentences each. Eighth, what are conventions? Give an example of conventions. Conventions are the activities we engage in repeatedly in our daily life, often without consciously thinking about them. They are part of our culture and help us perform our daily duties smoothly. Example, sitting in the class or greeting someone without being told how to do it. We learn these through regular practices. Ninth, explain cultural diversity. Our answer, cultural diversity refers to the existence of the different cultures within a society. It includes variations in clothes, language, race, religion, and lifestyles. Even though cultures may differ, they can influence each other. For example, Indian clothing like the chudidara has came from southwest India, and Western clothing like trousers and shirts as well as the English language have came from the British. India is a prime example of cultural diversity with the hundreds of tribes, thousands of castes, many races, and hundreds of languages, which is why it is known for its unity in diversity. Question number 10. Describe the various aspects of culture. Our answer, culture includes various aspects such as knowledge, what people learn and how in a society, the art, music, dance, painting, and other forms of creative expression, morality, understanding of right and wrong behavior, law, rules that govern society, customs, traditional practices followed by people, abilities and talents, skill and gifts developed within a cultural setting, values, principles like honesty, freedom, and patriotism that guide behavior. Conventions, everyday activities like greeting, eating, and sleeping done as per social norms. All these aspects are learned as a part of the social life and are passed down from the one generation to another. Additional multiple choice questions, answers, MCQ test. In this side, first fill in the blanks. Next, 1 marks question answers. Second slide, who divided the culture into two groups? Answers. And next slide, what is non-material culture and its answer.